Okay, these are the chains hanging here. All the cams are unlocked. And following the instructions by the manufacturer, I took out 4 links of chain here. You can see I cut them out with a grinder, 4 links on each side, and then bent these guys off the ladders to remove those, and I'm left with this. Okay, so with the chains hanging, you can see the long side coming all the way down is roughly, bearing in mind any kind of looseness in the chain, it seems when I pull it tight, it gets just about 86 inches in length. So each side is about that same amount. I believe the manufacturer said 81 was the minimum. So I feel like I could probably take out 1 link comfortably, maybe 2, but 2 might make it tough to get them on in less than ideal conditions. All right, I was able to cut the links off, and this is how it's fitting now. You can see these extra links at the bottom. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 links hanging off. It's attached at the 5th one. When I first attached it, I attached it to the 2nd link, and it was tight. And then I tightened up all my cams, and then backed it up, and then was able to get another couple links on, loosened all the cams, get another couple links on, and then tighten it up again. So I've done that a couple of times. Gotten to this point, all the cams are tightened except one, just to show you how tight this is. Getting this one tightened is a pretty solid turn, and then, no slack. Feels pretty darn good to me, so I'm thinking I might be able to cut 1 more link off, just because it was pretty tough to attach it to the 2nd link. Was about the furthest I could get it, and I'm on a driveway, not in the snow. So I don't know, maybe I want all 4 of those links so that I can keep adjusting it, but I don't know if it's bad to have those hanging down. On the inside, I've got a bit less than that. I've got it on the, let's see, here's the link right here. So I've got it with 1, 2 hanging off, and it's on the 3rd link. And I think that I had it on the 2nd also when I started, so wasn't able to get it as tight as the front. Only 2 extra links hanging off, whereas the front has 4 extra links hanging off. So not as much hanging in here, which makes me feel good that I wouldn't be hitting a brake line or anything like that. So I think this looks pretty good, but hoping to get a professional opinion here and make sure that is what you guys expect.